Did Microsoft Edge suddenly switch to a language you don't understand? Or maybe you're setting up a new computer and simply want the browser to display everything in English or another language you're more comfortable using. The good news is that with this guide, you don't need to understand your current language to change it. In this video, I'll walk you through the process, step by step. Let's begin. Open Microsoft Edge. In the upper right corner of the browser, click the three-dot menu. Even if you can't read the text, the three dots always open Edge's main menu. Next, look for the option with a gear icon. The gear represents settings in every language. Once you're in settings, look at the menu on the left side. Scroll downward until you find the section with a capital letter A icon and a kanji or katakana, and so on. In most versions of Microsoft Edge, this icon represents languages. Click that option. You should now see a list of installed languages. If English already appears in the list, click the three dots next to it and choose the option that sets it as the display language. Switching to that language is at the top. For me, since for this video I switched to Spanish, Inglés is pretty obvious. But if Edge is in a language in which it's impossible to recognize English, then click the only button at the top right corner of this section. Type in English. Pick pretty much any of these and also have a look how the foreign languages word for English looks like. Click the button in the bottom right corner, which should be the button for adding this language. This newly added should be at the bottom. Click the three dots next to it and then the first option from the drop-down menu. Microsoft Edge will usually ask you to restart the browser for the change to take effect. Look for this circling arrow button, which looks like refresh, and click on it. When the browser launches again, the interface should now appear in English. You can follow these exact same steps to switch Microsoft Edge to any other supported language as well. That should do it. Your browser is now set to the language you selected. If you want more Microsoft Edge tutorials, browser tips, and troubleshooting guides, feel free to stick around for the next video. Thanks for watching.